Hi students, in this video I am discussing about computer concept syllabus for MCA entrance examination for March 2024. Everybody knows 40 marks weightage is given for this paper of computer concept. Now let us try in detail what are the different topics which are covered under the computer concept. We have the first topic as computer basics, second topic as data representation, the third is computer architecture, the fourth is computer languages. Now, let's go for discussing about each of the topic in detail. We do have a operating system basics also as the chapter under the computer concepts. Now, let us understand the first topic as computer basics. क्या होने क्या वाला है computer basics में? कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स में आपका फर्स्ट टॉपिक आता है, फर्स्ट चैप्टर हम लोग बोल सकते हैं एज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. Then we are going to understand in details about the central processing unit, that is CPU. Then we need to understand the structure of instruction inside the CPU. We need to in detail understand the various input and output devices as well as the computer memory. अभी कंप्यूटर मेमोरी मतलब सिंपल है, आपको रैम क्या होता है, रोम क्या होता है, स्टोरेज क्या होता है, एचडीडी क्या होता है, इप्रोम क्या होता है, डबल इप्रोम क्या होता है, वो सभी डिटेल्स के बारे में आपको डिटेल में समझना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज कोई भी टॉपिक के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है. मैं सीपीयू का बात किया तो फिर उसके अंदर एएलयू रहेगा, वी आर हैविंग मेमोरी यूनिट, वी आर हैविंग कंट्रोल यूनिट. सो दिस इज व्हाट ऑल डिटेल्स वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इन डिटेल. इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस तो सब लोगों को मालूम ही है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर एंड सो ऑन. Memory organizations and backup devices also need to be prepared for you under the computer basics. Now, I am just giving you some kind of sample examination questions over here. Like first question, that what is the main function of the central processing unit in a computer? तो ऐसे कुछ चॉइसेस आपको दिए जाएंगे, जैसे चार ऑप्शन दिए आपको यहाँ पे: स्टोरेज ऑफ डेटा, एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, इनपुट ऑफ डेटा, डिस्प्ले ऑफ आउटपुट. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को कि मेन फंक्शन क्या होगा सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट का? थोड़ा याद करके देखो. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर आपका होने वाला है एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन. राइट. सो थोड़े से ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस भी आ जाते हैं यहाँ पे, तो बहुत बार बच्चे लोग ना गलत चॉइसेस कर लेते हैं, तो इसलिए ना आप थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ाई करो. वी आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद ऑल दिस सीरीज वेयर वी विल बी इन डिटेल हेल्पिंग टू प्रिपेयर अबाउट दीज ऑल चैप्टर्स इन डिटेल. तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि आप लोग अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करोगे, नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करोगे, सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू गेट ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ अपडेटेड वीडियोस ओवर हियर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, एक सैंपल क्वेश्चन में दिया है यहाँ पे, दैट विच कंपोनेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. चार ऑप्शंस आपको मिले यहाँ पे एज इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, मेमोरी एंड बैकअप डिवाइसेस. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है देख रहे हो आप, what is being responsible for organizing the computer system? And I think so everybody had guessed correctly. The answer becomes a CPU, a central processing unit. तो ये रहा first chapter, that is called as computer basic. Looking at the second as computer architecture. In this, we will be understanding basics of digital logic. We are going to understand the block structure of the computer. This is quite important to understand. Input devices, output devices, CPU, उसका एक structure diagram होता है, वो बराबर से prepare करना पड़ेगा. Input output devices का communications, interrupts, ये काफी important concept है. 12th science जिसने किया होगा, बेसिक्स है, 8 9 10 में भी हो गया रहेगा आपका इंटरप्ट मतलब क्या होता है. अभी इसी बेस पे हम लोग कुछ एक बेसिक सैंपल क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. That what is the block structure of computers primarily concerned with. तो यहाँ पे आप देखो कि चार ऑप्शन मिले हैं. ब्लॉक स्ट्रक्चर या डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेगा, क्या कम्युनिकेशन संभालेगा सीपीयू एंड आईओ डिवाइसेस के लिए, क्या बेसिक्स ऑफ डिजिटल लॉजिक करेगा. मेजरली बच्चे लोग यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि बी सिलेक्ट करे या डी सिलेक्ट करे, विच इज अ मेमोरी यूनिट. तो आप लोग माइंड में डिसाइड कर लो अभी कौन सा टॉपिक और कौन सा आंसर आप चूज करने वाले हो. The correct answer over here is your memory unit, because block structure में आपके पास memory unit आता है. Now second question is, in a computer system, what is the role of interrupts? Interrupts मतलब होता क्या है अब? मेरे ख्याल से सब लोगों को मालूम है, लॉजिक हैंडल करने के लिए आप लोगों को क्या लगने वाला है? इंटरप्ट्स लगने वाला है. तो जब हम लोग डिटेल वीडियो बनाएंगे कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर का, तो वहां पे ये सभी कंसेप्ट्स को मैं डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. Like communication between the CPU and IO devices, is it work done by the interrupt? Execution of arithmetic operations is a work done by the interrupts. Organizing the data and memory is a work done by the interrupt. Represents the characters in binary is a work done by the interrupt. And the correct answer over here is executing the arithmetic operation. So this is what been done as a basic role of what your interrupts. Looking at the next topic, that is comes as what your data representation. In this, we are going to understand about representation of characters, integers, fraction, binary and hexadecimal representation. You know that our number system is based on binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. That is based on 2, based on 8, that is octal, based on 10, our regular number system decimal, and hexadecimal based on 60. So we need to understand how this particular number system works, and we should be able to go for converting the number system from one number system to other number system. Along with that, we are having addition, subtraction, and multiplication of binary arithmetic. Floating point representation of numbers is also there. Normalized floating point numbers are there. Boolean algebra is there. And truth table is also been a part of your data representation topic. Now, Venn diagram is the last topic of the data representation. Now, let's look at some kind of sample question. Now, the first question, what is the binary representation of decimal number 25? तो उसको divide by 2 करके करते हैं. Now, sir, how to do it? I'm creating a separate video for the same. So for that, please subscribe the channel and please give a click on the notification bell icon so you will be able to get the update of my next video for the same. Now, when you are trying to go for converting the number 25, which is the decimal number, into binary, your answer becomes A, that is 1101. Perform the binary addition, that is 101 plus 11. Over here, you will find the answer as 110, 111, 1011, and 1000. So when it comes to the binary addition, definitely everybody knows the addition becomes ready, that is going to be 1000. You know that in binary addition, what happens? 10 will be 1, 01 will be 1, 11 will be 0. That is 0 carry forward 1. So this is how the thing should be done. So how to do the binary addition? Can you explain furthermore? Yes, in next video, I will be definitely explaining about binary addition also. Now let's move ahead with the next topic, that is computer languages. Now in the computer languages, we are going to understand the fundamentals of data and file structure as well as the high level languages. A computer programming in C is a very, very important topic. Now, the students which are IT student may be completing their BSc IT or a BCA or maybe BSc Computer Science, which has a graduation of the computer background, which does not require to do any bridge courses in MC. But the students who are in a commerce background, if they are pursuing for the MCA, then they require to complete the bridge course. And again, in that you're going to understand the computer programming in C. So I will advise that you please start updating your knowledge about the C programming language from the start. So that will be helping you to clear your bridge course in first attempt. We are having advanced concept in programming, and the sample questions of these computer languages are like, what does the term high level languages refer to in a computer programming? The answers are assembly language, machine language, user friendly programming language, and low level language. Everybody knows by just looking at two words, you can easily understand it is a user friendly programming language. The correct answer is going to be C. And what are the fundamentals of data and a file structure related to in computer science? Then the answers comes as organization of CPU, storage of data, high-level language programming, and efficient data organization. Many times you will find among your four options, two options as straightly you can discontinue that option. Like organization of CPU, you can straightly discontinue that option. Even if you are giving a thought about high level language programming, please discontinue this answer. And H comes as two options like storage of data and efficient data organization. And the answer over here is efficient data organization. Now that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching us. Please like our video, share the video, subscribe the channel.